Jumbo beautiful people, today I'm going to share with you how I make my moisturizing mist and my oil blend for sealing. This is a residue-free water-based mist that is perfect for keeping your sister locks hydrated without causing buildup or weighing it down. You can also check out this video of my daily routine for keeping my sister locks moisturized day and night. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, as this would really help keep this channel going. So let's dive in. If you're on a lock journey, you know that hydration is the key to healthy locks or even natural hair, which is essential for growth, strength, and overall appearance. For this DIY moisturizing mist, we'll need a clean spray bottle, measuring cups, spoons, and a funnel. For the mist, you want to use light water-based spray that won't weigh down your hair and it's residue-free. I'll use a half cup rose water, which is lightweight, hydrating, and prevents dryness. I just love how rose water smells. Then I'll add in 10 drops of aloe vera extract, which is great for strength and prevents scalp itching. For some reason, when I was ordering my oils and hair products, I ordered the aloe vera extract thinking that it is the same as the liquid extract or juice. So I just decided to use this one and see how it works. This is a very concentrated extract, so we'll only need to use about 1 to 10% of it. Alternatively, you can use a quarter cup of aloe vera juice, which is also great, which is a great conditioner. For extra moisture and nourishing, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Since we are making a residue-free mist, I'll use half cup distilled water. This is the ideal base for hair mist, and it's completely free from minerals and impurities found in the tap water. It's gentle to my scalp and reduces frizz and dryness. I just love this stuff. And finally, I'll add a few drops of lavender essential oil for scalp health, also to add that lovely scent to the mist. And that's it. Shake well and it's ready for use. For the oil mixture, we'll need an applicator bottle with a nozzle top for easy dispensing of oil. To seal in all that moisture and add shine, you'll want to use a lightweight oil that absorbs easily and doesn't cause buildup. For the oil blend, I'll use quarter cup sweet almond oil. Sweet almond is light and greasy, which is great for softening locks and nourishing scalp and add shine to my locks. I truly love this oil. Then there's rosemary oil, which is a blend of grapeseed oil and rosemary essential oil. I'll use quarter cup of this infusion that, according to the brand, it delivers a powerful combination of nutrients and hydration. Grapeseed oil is light, it's great for preventing dryness, and rosemary is great for stimulating hair growth. So alternatively, if you don't have the rosemary oil infusion, grapeseed oil is actually just perfect. Finally, for the final touch, I'll add a few drops of lavender essential oil, which is completely optional. I like both the mist and oil to have the same scent. Mix it well and you're good to go. These two are my shield against dryness and itchy scalp. This is a great moisturizer for locks or even natural hair, and any hair type actually. If you want organic moisturizer without breaking your bank, this is the stuff you need, and you also know what is in your product. Here's a quick tip for a quick moisturizing fix when you're on the go. Lightly mist your locks and scalp 3 to 5 times a week or daily if need be. After hydration, use the oil mix to seal in all that moisture. Run your fingers to detangle, shake it off, and start your day. So good. Remember, don't oversaturate your locks if they are new, as this will cause your locks to unravel. Also, you can store this mist in your fridge for up to 2 weeks, and especially if you're using the aloe vera juice. Myself, I don't see the need for that because this only lasts me for a week since I use it on my daughter's hair and myself. So that's it, guys. My really simple DIY moisturizing mist for keeping your sister locks or natural hair moisturized and healthy. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for notification. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really love to hear your thoughts on this one. Let's learn, grow and vibe together. See you on the next one.